Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for always coming to my channel. Thanks for your support. Thanks for clicking on this video. God bless you. Yes, in today's video we want to make a very effective toilet wash. Ever since I discovered this recipe, my toilet is always sparkling clean, free from germs and dirt. You can do it. It's a simple recipe that everyone should be able to try. So the ingredients you need for this recipe are very few. You just need caustic soda, you need sulphonic, you need HCl to make the toilet wash and make it very effective. So you dissolve your caustic soda in water, like in the blue bowl. I have my caustic soda dissolved in water, and now in this brown bowl you dissolve your sulphonic acid in water. You are going to be stirring that sulphonic acid until it completely mixes up the water that you have. What I'm making is 5 liters of toilet wash, so I divided the water in one bowl and another 2.5 liters in the other bowl. So searing is very important at this point, especially with the mixture of sulphonic acid and water. So you keep on stirring until it mixes up completely. You are going to notice the difference because the viscosity will change and the water is separated from the sulphonic will not be that way again. To completely mix up and you will like the viscosity. So you continue to stir it very well. You know, sulphonic acid is oily and then you have water. So trying to mix the two, you need to really engage your energy. It's a whole lot of work, but the interesting thing is that it's worth the effort. So because this recipe is very good, gives the toilet very clean, fresh, and also free from germs. That is why since I discovered the recipe, I always repeat it, telling my friends about it, telling my colleagues about it, and even my neighbors, and every one of them have been using this recipe. Very good and effective. So you continue to stir. When it changes to the viscosity that you want, you will know, because the water will no longer be separated from the sulphonic acid. It will mix completely and give you a kind of homogeneous face. So you continue to stir. If you look at it now, it's getting a uniform feel already. So you will continue to stir. When you stir it very well, your product definitely will come out beautiful, very well. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my channel, before we continue, please let's quickly go back. Click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you can always receive our videos anytime we post. So after you have mixed the sulphonic and water and you have the viscosity you want, the next thing is just to mix the two together. So you turn in that into the bowl where you have caustic soda, and then you stir again very well. The next thing is to add your HCl, hydrochloric acid. When you add it, you stir it again so that it will mix up properly. And those are the major active ingredients in the toilet wash. You have caustic soda, sulphonic acid, and hydrochloric acid. Those three are the major ingredients. So you don't need to put kind of fragrance into it. Because it produces a fragrance that is very dear. You like it, and you can Thank you. God bless you for watching.